Hello, this is Mike, and today I'm going to show you guys my program that I wrote in Swift, and this is for the Chemistry 1 Tier A assignment. And as you can see, I have three functions, and it's a function that reads user input here, function input, function double input, and function string put. And then we have a function menu. And what this does is it displays this menu right here, and for the users to select which option they want to pick. And right here we have the var variables, and what these does is the variables are defined as double, mostly double because double is a decimal point. It can be a decimal, which in this case, in case one, we have enter mass number, which can be a double, which means it can be a decimal. So if it wasn't, however, if it was an int, it could only be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole numbers, no decimals. So it's better to have mass number as a double input because if we can only calculate 5 divided by the volume, which is not that convenient for users of this program. So then now we have um, our switch case statement. So what a case does is, for example, if we click 1, it runs this code. So when I have a print statement that says print density calculation selected, please enter mass number, it prints out right here. So the users can actually see this. The users will not see anything other than print statements. Print statements and the default, which is another print statement. All of the work done here is done in the program. The users will not see this to reduce complexity, and it's easier for users to visualize and to use. So case 1, we have density calculation. So let's run this code. So we have density calculation selected. Please enter a mass number. For example, I have 29.675. So that's, let's just say that it's in grams. All right. So enter volume number. Let's put 20 liters. All right. So we have 1.48375 grams per liters. And volume, like as I say, liters and grams, those aren't the unit conversion you have to do. This is universal because I didn't add in grams. I didn't define the value as grams or liters or any of those stuff. And then once that's calculated, it shows density calculation finished, and it's 29.675 for the density. Now we have option 2, which calculates the molarity. And molarity is really common in chemistry. So we type in the moles of solute. So let's say we have 0.098 moles of solute. And then we enter the liters of solvent. Let's say we have 0.75. So this will display as 0.1306 repeating. And as you can see, the 7 here, this is just rounded up. And this is what is on the exam reference sheet. So if a person maybe forgot how to do molarity and lost their sheet, they can use this program and figure out how to do molarity. So we have the third option, which calculates the molality. So molality is different by having the kilograms of solvent in the bottom instead of liters of solution. So let's see. It says molarity calculation selected. Please enter moles of solute. So let's just say 20 moles of solute, and we have 9 kilograms of solvent, and it will print out 2.2, repeating of, so that's what molality equals. Molality is 2.2 repeating. Now we have the fourth case, which is a selection for calories to joules. So you have selected calories to joules conversion. Please enter number of calories. So let's say if we forgot how to convert a calorie to joules. All you have to do is just type a number you want to convert. So let's say we have 87 calories and we want to convert it to joules. And it will print out as 364.008. And this is done by just multiplying 1 calorie by calories, which is the double input, which is the user's input, times that by 4.184 joules, because 1 calorie equals 4.184. Simple math there. Now we have the last case switch statement, which is molar volume at STP, and STP is standard temperature pressure. And let's select it. You have selected molar volume at STP function. Please enter the amount of liters. So of course we know the molar volume at STP, if we calculate that, is 22.4 times liters divided by moles. So here it asks for liters. We can type F as our selection, and let's say 6, and then 1 mole, which is 134.4, and that is correct because you have to multiply by 22.4. Sorry guys, I forgot to add this number right here, but this is the calculation of 22.4, and this is the calculation of MVS, which is the molar volume at STP. And and then the last example is that last thing I want to show you guys is that select option. If I select something other than 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, it will show up as please enter a valid choice, which is really important because if a person doesn't know 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 is the only option to pick, then they'll just keep getting the wrong output. So, for example, if I press 7, it will show up as please enter a valid choice, and it will show up as option menu. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching my program, and have a good rest of the day. Thank you.